What's up, everyone? Are you participating in a Lightship event and you learn how to submit your entry? Well, you've come to the right place. This video will cover everything you need to know on how to submit your entry on itch.io. Well, first thing, you need to make your itch.io account. If you already have one, great job. Now, let's get started. So once you're in itch.io, from the drop-down menu, select Upload New Project. Complete all of the necessary fields. This includes project title. If you're working in a team, include your team name in your title. For example, team name : project title. It is mandatory to include a YouTube or Vimeo link to your demo video. If you haven't watched our video tutorial, How to Create a Successful Demo Video, make sure you check it out. You will learn the best tips on how to effectively pitch your build to our judges. Under Visibility and Access, select Public. You will first need to save your project, then go back and edit your project and select Public. A little roundabout, I know. Remember to click Save again. Check your project by selecting View Page to make sure everything looks correct. Congrats! Your project is ready for submission. What about the other fields? Well, they're all optional, including uploading your build, project files, or screenshots. Only winners will be asked for their code base zip files. Niantic in no way owns the right to your code. We just want to check if your build can actually do what's shown in your demo video, and we need your code base to do this. If you plan to upload screenshots, consider adding text to describe the image. Now, let's submit your entry. Each of our challenges, jams, and build-a-thons have their own itch.io jam page. Make sure the jam page you go to is for the contest you are participating in. Once you're at the jam page, join the jam. You can do this even before the submission period is open. Once the submission period is open, submit your entry before the deadline. You can do this by selecting the correct project from the drop-down menu and answer all of the following questions. When you're finished, click the Submit button. Depending on the competition, you may only be allowed to submit one entry per team. Some competitions may allow multiple entries, so please review the rules carefully as they vary. To edit your submission, go to the Submissions tab and select your project. Then select Edit this submission. This will only edit your submission answers, but not your actual projects, including the video link or uploaded files. To edit your actual project, you need to do that at the project level. So from your dashboard, go to your game page, then select Edit Game. Then begin editing your project. Make sure you remember to hit the Save button. Each project can only be submitted once. So if you need to, you can remove your submission, edit your project, and then submit it again. Remember, submissions can be edited anytime before the deadline. We recommend submitting your project early, even if it's not the final version. If you have any questions, please join our Discord for more support. Thanks, and look forward to receiving your builds.